Outstanding morning EDCOINers. Welcome to the EDCOIN App tutorial for the conversion of EDCOIN to EDPOINTS. The Master EDCOIN wallet is the all-in-one wallet for all things EDCOIN. Please note that the conversion rate of EDCOIN into EDPOINTS is dependent on your country of KYC. In this example, the rate used is for the Philippines. In your EDCOIN app, click on Convert. Please read the tips. This will allow you to convert your EDCOIN and transfer it to your EDPOINTS app. Click on Continue. Select EDPOINTS app and click on Continue. Please enter a valid EDA number. An example EDA number and identity is used in this tutorial. Then click on Continue. Please verify that the identity shown matches the EDA number you intend to send your EDPOINTS to. Then click on Confirm. You'll be converting EDCOIN into EDPOINTS. Click on Continue to convert EDCOIN into EDPOINTS. In this screen, you'll need to enter your EDCOIN that you want to convert into EDPOINTS. Enter the amount of EDCOIN you would like to convert into EDPOINTS. In this example, we enter 5 EDCOIN. The conversion into EDPOINTS is shown. Slide to convert. Enter your 4-digit mobile PIN number. You will see the final screen and a summary of your intended conversion. For your final confirmation, please check and confirm this within 30 seconds. Click on Confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your EDCOIN into EDPOINTS.